This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Jason Cavanaugh. Come and see this 3-bed 2.5 bath beautiful home. Featuring a wide open floor plan on the main with spacious kitchen, gas fireplace and quality room for entertaining. Upstairs you will find a bonus room and all the bedrooms with each having a walk-in closet for all the things. Outside you will enjoy the wraparound covered porch, fully fenced side yard and an attached 2-car garage with loads of storage. A fantastic location just steps away from Bender Fields and the new Rotary Park. This is a great place to call home. For more information, review the details below or contact Jason Cavanaugh at 360-734-7500.